Stock market tips that will work for you. Stock market investing is a traditional way to generate wealth over the course of time. However, since the market is so volatile and complex these days, it's tough to get started and learn the ropes. This video will give you a variety of tips that you can implement to become more successful in the stock market. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. Don't focus solely on the stock prices when choosing investments. Although a company's stocks may rise temporarily, crashing and burning is very possible. It is the best idea to research different businesses and find out which ones typically do the best over the long term. Use research to make the best choices. When it comes to investing, make sure you're educated. Learn the basics of accounting and stock market history. If you're not educated, you won't be able to make money and you'll look like a fool. You don't need a 4-year accounting degree or anything fancy, but take the time to learn the necessary information. You should never try to time the markets. It is a proven fact that invest an equal amount of funds into the market steadily over time have the ideal results. Figure out how much of your money you can afford to invest. Make sure you continue to invest on a regular basis. When it comes to purchasing shares, there are two distinct types to choose from: preferred shares and common shares. There is a greater risk factor of losing money with investing in common shares if the company you own shares in goes out of business. The reason for this is that bondholders, creditors and those who own preferred stocks will be first in line to regain some of their money from a company that stops functioning since they have a higher ranking than a common shareholder. As mentioned at the beginning of this piece, stock market investing can mean both great reward and significant intimidation. Keep this video in mind as you start or continue to invest. Applying what you have learned will help you to make more money in the stock market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.